Hi, and welcome to this short yoga-inspired Pilates flow workout. Today we'll start in all fours. If you need to cushion your knees, you can use a small cushion, a folded towel, maybe a block or a pillow later on to comfort yourself. So let's get started in an all fours position. Keeping your knees underneath your hips and your hands slightly further forward than your shoulders. Just gently round your back up towards the ceiling and lower it down a couple of times. Arch and curl your back within a comfortable range. You can even hold for a deep inhalation, C-shaped curved position, and exhale, lower your chest, lower your tummy. Hold. If you feel there's too much pressure on the lower back, you can keep neutral lumbar-spine position and hold mid-range. Inhale and exhale, curl, activating your lower tummy muscles, pelvic floor muscles, even your glutes while rounding your back. Then slowly ease and release, elongate your spine, reaching the tailbone backwards, crown of your head forward, 2 directions, slowly round. And then reach. Hold that neutral mid position, lifting your lower back a little bit off the mat, engaging your tummy underneath. Then we're going to extend the right leg, then slowly center. Left leg, as you reach your heel backwards, extend and lift the upper part of your chest forward. Hold the right leg extended and extend. Reach the left arm sideways. Reach across in front of your chest, underneath your right shoulder. Open up again. Inhale, then lower down, palm and your knee. Same on the other side. Left leg, right arm combination. Open towards the side, look into your palm, then reach across. Open up. One more time, inhale, then exhale, lower. Repeat the same exercise a couple of times, keeping your core engaged. You can even try and float your leg up. Once you're ready, prepare, make sure that you keep pressing your supporting lower leg, foot and ankle into the ground. So let's see. Extending your right leg, floating it up about hip height, and reach the left arm sideways. Keep pressing the right palm, left ankle into the ground. Make sure you're safe. Open up, look into your palm, then lower it down. Other way around. Either keep the toes on the ground. As you open the arm, reach the leg backwards or float the leg up. Inhale up and exhale down. Great job. Let's repeat one more each side, either version. Slowly lower, reach across, open up side to side, and release. One more. Either toes on the ground or float the leg away. Lower down. Reach. And then slowly lower. Great job. Round your back, shift the weight backwards, sinking down over your heels. Lower the elbows down. And just gently mobilize your wrists, small circles with your hands, one and the other direction. You can even have your small cushion underneath your forehead in this position. And then I'm going to extend the arms, palms, reaching forward, open the fingers, then pull yourself up into all fours position. Lower the shoulders, tuck your toes under. Now I'm going to engage our core, float the knees up and over the ground, holding that box-shaped position, then slowly lower. Then a little higher up, Engaging the core, exhale, and send your tailbone up towards the ceiling. Lower your heels, extending your back, or you can keep your knees in a bent position. Then slowly lower the knees down over the mat. Slow motion into all fours. Let's try and practice the same exercise one more time. Slowly move your tailbone up, extending the back, focusing on that rather than keeping the knees straight, so a small bent position. Then lower your right heel, then the left heel, one at a time, extending the knee on the same leg. Great job. And then slowly lower the other heel as well. If you're happy with that, raise both heels. Then slowly lower the knees down on the ground. Okay, let's try one more of this. Engaging the core, reaching all the way back up to downward facing dog position. Then we're going to start walking forward towards the front of our mat. Forward fold, softening the knees, relax the arms and slowly roll all the way back up. Nice and tall position, extend the arms side to side, reach over your head, and then release. Halfway rolling down, nodding your chin, running the shoulders. Soften the hips and knees, open up the chest towards the front, gentle arch, then curl. Reach back up, nice and tall again. Inhale and exhale. Forward roll down. Reaching towards your feet. Palms underneath your shoulders. Lower your weight down. Take a big step backwards with your right leg. Lower your hips towards the ground. And then lower the knee down as well. Push yourself up, supporting yourself in the front of your left knee. Tuck your pelvis under and reach both arms up and over. Side. And then lower down. And again, side. And then lower down, keeping the front knee above your heel. Reach up, hold that position, then bend towards the left side. Gentle side bend, and back to the center. One more time. Side, and then center. We're going to lower the arms and reach forward with both hands. If you need to, you can just move your foot slightly towards the side. Make sure you have room. Extend your right leg and a big step forward in front. Rolling back up. Keeping your feet parallel. Nice tall standing position. With arms up over your head. Lower down. Rolling forward. Reaching towards the knees, towards the feet. Palms on the ground. And a left leg. Stepping backwards, lower the hip down. You can shuffle your foot slightly towards the side of your mat just to have a bit better alignment or a bit extra room. Then lower the knee down on the ground. Push yourself up. In a half kneeling position, tuck the pelvis under, reach both arms up and over. And then slowly lower down, drawing the lower ribs down, engaging your core, and release. Now we're going to reach up, interlace the fingers over your head, and reach towards the right side. Adding that side bend will emphasize that hip flexor stretch. Probably notice that too. A little side bend here, back to the center position. Slowly lower the hands down, reach and extend, and then take a big step backwards with your right into V position, heels up, softening the knees. If you need to, extend the arms, pushing yourself up and away from the ground, and extend your back as well. Slowly lower your knees down. Relax your feet, shift your weight back. Child position. Reaching over your heels. Take a deep inhalation and long exhalation here. Then I'm going to start walking the hands back over the knees. You can use the pillow in between your hips and your heels, or just kneel up or find a comfortable seated position. Gently roll the shoulders backwards and downwards. A few movements here. And then reach both arms up and over. Palms together. Lower down in front of your chest. Calf forward. Reach. Then over your head again. Lower the shoulders away from your ears. Lower the arms side to side. Push your palms away. Then close in front of your chest. Great job. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this short workout and you feel refreshed and energized at the same time. See you next time. Take care. Bye. If you enjoyed this class, please like and share this video with others and subscribe to our channel for more workouts like this. We would love to hear about your experience too, so please leave a comment below. Thank you very much. Your feedback means a lot to us. Have a lovely day.